Hello guys, today I'm gonna tell you how to create this play pause animation using Lottie Android library and Kotlin. So let's create a new project in Android Studio. Let's call it play animation. After creating the project, we will have to implement the library. So let's search for Lottie for Android. Now we will copy this implementation line from GitHub and paste it in build Gradle file in our project. To get the latest version of the library, we will go back to GitHub and copy the library version, which is here 6.0.0. Sync our changes, and now we are ready to start coding. To show the animation, we have to add Lottie animation view to our main XML file. After adding the view to our XML file, we will need to get the animation file. You can download the files from the links in the description. We will download the files in JSON format so we can use them in our project. Now we will create the assets folder where we will add these files in our project. Now we have the files in Android Studio. Let's rename them to something simpler. Maybe play button and play bar. Now we should link our files to our animation view in the XML file. To do so, we will use an attribute called Lottie file name, and here we should use the exact name with JSON extension. Let's make the animation autoplay and loop for now to see it. Let's make the animation autoplay and loop for now to see how it works. And we will do the same thing for the other animation view. Okay, now both animation views are set and linked to the files. Let's run the app and see how it looks. As you see now, the animations work automatically, but we want it to work only according to the button click. So firstly, we should remove these two lines. Now let's open main activity. Of course we can use view binding for less code, but we will use normal find view by ID method for now. We should declare our two variables for play button and play bar. Both will be of type Lottie animation view. Then we should initialize these variables to link them with our XML views. So what we want the button to do is to stop the animation after this play sign, and when clicked again, it goes to the end of the animation. To do so, we will have two functions, play function and pause function. So in the first play function, we will ask the viewer to play first part of the animation only. So basically from 0 to 0.5, both of float type. After we start the animator, using the animator update listener, we will get the progress to animate the original button. So inside this listener, we will assign the animator progress to place button progress. And we have to cast the animated value to float type. We can test our play function in onCreate method and run the app. As you see now, it only plays the first part of the animation, but we needed to do so only after clicking the play button. So we have to add this play function inside this button click listener. Now it works, but the animations is too fast, so let's slow it down a bit. We can do this by using the duration property of the animator. This value is in milliseconds, so 1000 milliseconds is 1 second. It's now slower, and as you increase this number, it will be slower. For now, I will use 500 milliseconds, but now the button starts the animation over again. We need it to complete the animation. So we will add another click listener inside play function to call the pause function. In our pause function, the animator should go from 0.5 to 1, which means to complete the animation. So play animation from 0 to 0.5 and pause animation from 0.5 to 1. But now we have an issue, because I forgot to activate listener in the pause function to call the play function again. Now our play button works smoothly and as we expect. After that, we need to link our power animation with the button clip. One more thing to do is to make the bar keep looping while playing, so we need to set our loop attribute to true. Now everything works as expected. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope you like it. Let me know in the comments. If you want more tutorials, like this video and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, see you later.